it's Harvey and I'm back for yet another video, and I hope you guys are having a great time. Welcome back to my channel, honey. So anyway, what are you guys doing? Let me know in the comments below. Whew, guys, it's been a minute since since we talked, honey. So let's get straight into it. Of course, I'm not in front of the camera again. I'm sorry, honey. Welcome to the pandemic, keeping me at home. Business is going crazy, not in a good way, so I'm home, being busy. Anyway, let's get into this. So, it's Jeffree Star. We are here to talk about Jeffree Star. Now, many of you have known that Jeffree Star has been quiet, and for some reason, I've seen people, my God, drama channels, woo, they scare me, honey. They scare me like Tati scares me, like Shane Dawson scares me. That's how drama channels scare me most times. I don't know what it is. Oh, Jeffree, there is this titles I've been seeing. Jeffree Star is scared. Jeffree Star is in hiding. Jeffree Star is in space. Jeffree Star cannot speak. I'm like, whoa!
Wait a damn minute. Wait a damn.
You know, there is a way you talk about something and people know that you're rational, and there is a way you talk about something and people know that, wow, this person is malicious about it, and I am not one of those people that wants to be malicious to people. So when I hear those titles, I'm like, oh my God, you know you're talking about people in this manner? Like, guys, whoo. Okay, now. So I've been seeing those titles, and now I just want to put my 2 cents regarding that. You guys know me. I always see things from both sides before speaking, and I always come with them facts as usual. So when I saw this, I was like, wow, okay. Jeffree Star, you guys should know that Jeffree Star is not a 10-year-old. He's not a 20-year-old. He's not a 25-year-old. He's in his 30s, which means before he does anything, he may be very... Jeffree Star never came up to me as someone that is, oh, I'm so innocent, save me, oh my God, I cannot kill a fly. Jeffree Star gives me this vixen, Robin Hood, that kind of... So, if Jeffree Star is doing a video with someone or something, I will say, oh my God, Jeffree is doing this because he's this now, or he's... no. I'll say, okay.
Yeah, so... Stop!
It's for a purpose or something, because he has always shown us that card like, beige, you better sit with me or get the fuck out of my way. And I know that. I'm not even trying to say, oh, and you guys know, I'm not yet, I won't defend Jeffree, but I love Jeffree. I love his hustle and everything, you know. Love his style, but his personality and attitude towards people, with what I've seen, you guys know me, I would not stand for something that is not right. I don't love that part of him. So I just use the other side, you know, to make up in a way, you know. But when I saw these titles coming up, I was like, oh my God, how do you guys sleep at night? That's all I kept saying. Like, that's the first thing I said, because I was like, you know, they do it with so much enthusiasm, like, yes, we are about to burn this person's house. Literally, they give me that kind of, we are about to burn this person's house, burn this person's life mentality. And I'm like, honey,
did you guys hear that? I'm scared.
So now Jeffree Star, to me, people are like, oh, Jeffree, speak up, where are you? Come out of your hiding, come out of your bunker and all that stuff. And I'm like, Jeffree may be just like, honey, Jeffree can just come out to me and say, okay, you know what, guys, so hi guys, welcome back to my channel, do a makeup tutorial like nothing happened. And Jeffree, I won't be surprised, because Jeffree will be in, I'm sure Jeffree is like, it is what it is, you know. Jeffree gives me that kind of, I don't care about these people's, you know, thoughts about me, and just go about my business or something.
love these. I wish I had the Dior ones, Jeffree.
Oh, hi, sweet pea.
Oh.
Good morning.
Oh.
Viewers sent them to me first. They said, we think you need them, girl.
Okay, fine. It's great. I'm fine.
Welcome to Hidden Hills.
What's up?
Doesn't it?
How are you? Nice to meet you.
Doesn't it look like a sister to my Huracan with
Oh.
the white wheels? I love buying something I've never tried or sat in. It's cool.
It's just flexing on us.
I thought that was Kylie.
Way on it, I crashed.
Oh, jeez.
And yeah, me and the Nissan went through a lot.
Oh my gosh.
Tiffany box, Senna.
The color is amazing.
It's cool.
Yeah.
It's insane, right?
Jeffree, it looks awesome. To have all.
Only a month and a half.
Wow.
I've already put 400 miles on it. I'm obsessed.
That is so crazy.
Or Jeffree can come out and say, guys, let's talk. Let us talk. You know, and people are like, oh my god, I don't think Jeffree is not standing up for his friend Shane Dawson. In my mind, I'm like, we don't know what goes on behind the scene. Because Shane Dawson has not come out and said, oh my god, I can't believe that Jeffree left me out in the dust. Jeffree is not even supporting me or something. Shane have not said any of that. So, and you know, Shane says that Jeffree is his family, so we don't know what goes on behind the scene. I'm just looking at it in all ways. Or then again, Jeffree is like, okay, the fire is on me and the fire is on you. If I come out, the fire will be on us, burning the both of us all together. So let me just take a step back, then later we'll deal with it. You never know. Or Jeffree can be like, oh, you know what? Let me just be in my own world right now because I don't want to feed into these people's flame, especially the drama channels, and people are talking about us. You know, we are making them trending, we are making them blow up, we are making their channels grow. You know, so let's just take a step back. Later we'll come back and tell them, you see, we paid your bills because you guys were talking about us. You see, so I look at things from different angles. So I was like, am I expecting any statement from Jeffree right now, this minute? Hell no. Maybe in a week or 2 or 3 weeks or in a month, I may expect like, hey, I'm back, let's do a new video, something like that, or talk about it. But right now that people are like, oh, Jeffree said something right now. Jeffree knows that, you know, people will be saying trash. Like if he does a video right now, I'm sure the comments section will blow up with, you this, you that, you know, and already people have already said he looks like so many things, you know, they've called him up names too. So if it were me, will I want to do a video right now? Hell no.
Like my pussy.
You know, so I can see why Jeffree has not done a video right now. So if you're expecting a video from Jeffree in a day or 2, possible. In a week, I can see that, or 2 weeks. But right now, I don't expect a video from Jeffree at all. At all. Especially with the Trish Paydays and all these people speaking of, and then Tati's video, yeah. And you know, Tati said in her video that Jeffree has all these bullets and stuff. We should be prepared. Jeffree may just be like, oh, you know what? Let me be the opposite. I'll just do the opposite, like nothing happened, you know?
We always want to take it to the next level.
And make Tati look like a fool. It's possible. You see, you have to see things from different aspects, because I know most of these drama channels are just like, oh, ew, ew, ew. They're not seeing things from all angles. They're just like, oh my god, I have another title to talk about today. You see. Now let's talk about there's a drag queen called Aquaria or something. I don't know who she is, because I don't watch RuPaul's Drag Race.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Good morning.
Bonjour, Jeffree. How are you?
Okay, this is what you get when you buy it online, and this is what you get when you get it in person.
I stopped watching it when they had the Bianca episode or season when Trixie Mattel won Drag Race All Stars, which to me, I am appalled by it. I'm just, wow. It's no secret that RuPaul's Drag Race, I don't watch it because of the segregation and discrimination in that show. That show is so unfair. Like, it's the inequality in that show is ridiculous to me. It's a joke. That's why I stopped watching it.
For what?
I know it has the flair and everything that, oh, if you're from the LGBT community, you must watch it. Not me, bitch. Not me. And I'll tell you guys why. Imagine a show where Bianca...
This ain't no allegedly.
There's bigotry, the GOP.
I can't end it.
If you hate it, fake it, make it into something less vile.
Won 5 competitions out of 7. And she did the right thing when she said, when it came to an episode where they're like, okay, you have to take someone out. And she saw that if I take someone out, this is not fair. Like, she saw that there was no fairness in the show because the judges didn't do it themselves, rather they put it on her. And she's like, I'm just here for my competition and you guys are putting this kind of stuff on me. And I saw reasons. Let me put it this way.
I'm going home. What?
Bianca should have a honorary Hall of Fame award on the RuPaul's Drag Show. Like, she should be one of the queens that have won the crown for being outstanding, because she won 5 out of 7.
Thanks for letting me be my kind of winner.
And then at the end they picked Trixie out of, oh my god, Shangela.
Step aside, I'm back again. So hype, so lit, adrenaline. I'm Shangela. Say what?
Bebe Zahara, and all. I was like, wait.
Mirror on the wall. I'm the fiercest of them all. Face with face.
They picked her.
Kitty girl, get your twirl.
I kinda wish you knew how much you put me through.
Never tell now, I got bleach in the blonde like Pamela. And I'm stepping up the box like Shangela.
Yeah, so. Stop!
I got long, thick legs, a tarantula. And if you call me kitty girl, I can handle ya.
She didn't even win any challenge. I think she won only 1 challenge out of 7.
Hey, kitty girl.
The others were like, I did not even see Trixie at all. Then at the end she wins. I was like, wait. And then I heard, oh, she has this show, she has this book. That's what I was like, she has this record and all. I was like, wow. So she didn't even win based on, she won based, really? So that show, once I just saw that, once I saw all those bullshit discrimination and all that, I was like, I'm out of here. That was the end of that show. And it's a big corporation, so that was it for me. So that's why I don't watch that show. So they said this lady, she's a queen, Aquaria is her name, and then she said goodbye to Jeffree Star. She's done with Jeffree Star, allegedly.
Let me tell you guys, if you have nails on, take them off right now. This is not worth it.
When I heard that, I was like, honey, no. I knew about Jeffree Star before I knew about RuPaul's Drag Race, and on that show you guys go and compete for.
You know, like, I just like.
I think Jeffree can afford that a million times over, and if we are looking at it, Jeffree Star bringing any of those drag queens on his show or on his platform, he's doing them a favor because he's bringing them to a bigger audience. And whenever they do those collaborations with the drag queens, I don't watch any of them. That's just true, just because they are synonymous to RuPaul's Drag Race, and I don't want to have anything to do with RuPaul's Drag Race. So, and it's so weird because I'm still alive. I thought if I don't stop watching that show, I would not be able to function. But I function. I do everything. I'm like, wow, okay now, you know. So guys, sometimes you have to stand for what is right, no matter what it is. You just have to stand for what is right, because it is called standing up for what is right for a reason, you know. So when I heard about that, I was like, honey, I don't think Jeffree would not sleep well at night because this person called Aquaria said goodbye to Jeffree. That's just me. That's just my thought about it.
I'm like, I'm speechless.
And
literally.
like, all the new shadows beyond.
Oh, you like it? Yeah.
So good.
We're gonna send you home with a big box today and take them on the road, baby.
Yes, of course.
Yes.
I would love to.